Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and welcome to my LEGO Technic channel. This week LEGO revealed 3 new Technic sets and today I'd like to discuss one of them. Of course, this is a John Deere Skidder, the set number 42157. I'm a big fan of heavy machinery and I've been waiting for this set for a long time. Skidder is a very specific tractor designed to pull cut trees out of a forest. I know this kind of vehicle for a long time. I designed a few LEGO models of Skidder. The biggest one was a Skidder John Deere 648L with remote control and tons of LEGO Power Functions motors. You can watch a video about that model on my channel. Okay, too many words, let's explore the new set. Here we have a John Deere Skidder 948L. As far as I remember, this is the biggest model in the series. The LEGO set contains 1492 pieces and the price is 190 euros. The set has a lot of functions: all-wheel drive connected to a piston engine, articulated chassis to steer the vehicle, pendular suspension on a front axle. Yes, the front of the Skidder is where the engine is located and the grapple, it's a tail of this beast. The next function is blade elevation. The blade is controlled by 2 small linear actuators. The model has a special handle under the operator cabin. Also, the model has a few extra features like opening engine compartment and rotating operator seat. Rotating seat or rotating cabin is a very common feature of tractors. For example, I remember rotating cabin in the set 42054 Xerion tractor, and also we had rotating cabin in a tracked loader 42094. So yeah, a lot of tractors and forest machines have this feature. And of course the set has a pneumatic system. I can see 3 switches apparently controlling 3 functions. The crane has 2 degrees of freedom and 1 pneumatic cylinder controls the grapple. So here we have a lot of functions, both mechanical and pneumatic. It's really cool. This set reminds me of the set number 8459 front loader. The same functions: all-wheel drive with piston engine, articulated chassis, pneumatic system. True Technic set? In general, I like how it looks. Huge green tractor, what can be wrong? What I don't like here are the wheels. I mean, not a tire's choice, but the lack of any covers. Uncovered wheels look a bit weird. For example, the 42054 set had interesting dishes, or we can take a look at the sprocket wheel covers of my mock. And also I don't like thin tubes in the front part of the cabin. I think usual Technic connectors would look much better here. And probably in this scale, a yellow line on the engine compartment wall can be created out of pieces, not just like sticker. But don't get me wrong, I think this model looks amazing. I just want to say that we can improve it a bit. For example, if I had this Skidder at home as a toy, I would replace all grey pneumatic hoses by black to get more organic view. And of course the strange look of a steering handle must be corrected. And now the most interesting part, let's take a look at the pieces. Huge tractor tires aren't rare pieces, but I like them and they fit perfectly this model. 5 large pneumatic cylinders, 4 in dark bluish gray and 1 yellow, 3 switches and a big pump are also included. The grapple is formed out of new claw pieces. It looks nice. Here we can see special rubber pieces to add more friction and to improve playing process. In this set we can see 2 absolutely new truss pieces. This truss has a complex geometry and it's really huge. The length of this piece is about 16 studs. Yes, you've heard right, the length isn't integer, so it will be not so easy to use it in your models. As a pleasant bonus, this set contains two heavy-duty differential gears that we can find only in an exclusive Ferrari 42143 set so far. Perhaps it's worth to mention two big turntables in the middle of the chassis. And now it's time of green pieces. Here we have two large frames, 3 by 19 in green, at least 6 panels 3 by 7 for the first time in green as well, decent amount of 3-stud long XL connectors, small panels in different shapes, and probably a 7-stud beam with perpendicular holes under the rear XL. So, as a fan of John Deere color scheme, I like this set of pieces. Of course, there are not too many pieces in green color here, but in combination with the Dragon 42149 and John Deere Tractor 42136, now we have a great variety of Technic pieces in green. So it seems this set is quite promising, but what can make it even better? Last pneumatic sets like a tow truck 42128 and a material handler 42144 had no opportunity to add a motorized compressor. And it's a bit disappointing because, for example, Volvo excavator 42053 and the Forest Tractor 8049 did have this option. All what we needed just to add a power functions battery box and the motor, and it was cool. It's much more convenient to play with model when you don't need to pump the air manually all the time. Another awesome solution of this problem – air tanks from 90s. Unfortunately, the last LEGO Technic set containing the air tanks was introduced in 1998. It would be so cool to bring them back to life, but it's just a dream. So I like this new set very much, and also I see here some opportunities for motorization. Please share your thoughts about this set below the video. Subscribe to my channel not to miss new interesting content. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!